Okay, in this next video, we're going to discuss disinfecting a cistern that is 10 feet by 15 feet by 8 feet, and it's 2/3 full. So first, we need to figure out how much area, or actually how much volume is in this actual cistern. So it's 10 feet by 15 feet by 8 feet full. So it's a 10 times 8 is 800, or 80. That's only 80. So times another 15. Another way, if you just need to do a calculator, you can do 10 times 8 times 15. And that equals 1,200 cubic feet. Now the cistern, it says, is 2/3 full. So we have to then multiply by 2/3. And 2/3 is what? So 1,200 times 0.67. And that equals 804. 1,200 times 0.67 equals a total of 804 cubic feet. Good? Now, we needed to be able to disinfect these 804 cubic feet. So we know that 1 gallon of bleach treats 50,000 gallons of water. We have to get this into gallons. So if we know that 1 cubic foot of water equals 7.5 gallons, then the question is 804 cubic feet equals how many gallons? So if 1 is 7.5, then we've got 804 of those. So it's 804 times 7.5. So I've got it set up. You can also cross multiply. 1. So 1 times that, 1 times x equals 7.5 times 804. So 804 times 7.5 equals, so I have to go to my computer, 804 times 7.5 equals 6,030, and that's our answer in gallons. Make sense? Now we know that, 1 gallon of bleach treats 50,000 gallons of water. And if 1 gallon of bleach treats 50,000 gallons of water, how many gallons of bleach are needed to treat 6,030 gallons of water? So that's our question. So how do we solve for this? 50,000x, or you don't even have to solve. I mean, if 1 goes in the 50,000, then how many goes in the 6,000? So it's a lot less, about 10%. So if 1 goes in the 50,000, how much goes in the 6,030? You can cross multiply here. You get 6,030 equals 50,000x. And then to solve for x, it's 6,030 over 50,000. And that equals x. So 6,030 divided by 50,000 equals 0.1206. And these are our gallons, equals x. So that's how much we need. Now you might have another question though. I'm gonna go up here. We may want the answer in ounces because we might have a pop bottle or a pop can around that can help us be a measuring device. Trying to measure 12% of a gallon jug of bleach might be hard to do. So if 1 gallon equals 128 ounces, or 1 gallon is 128, then the question is so if 1 gallon is 128 ounces, So 1 gallon is 128, and we've got 0.1206 gallons. How many ounces is that? So X equals 128 times 0.1206. So I have to multiply 0.1206 times 128. It's hard to do holding a camera phone. So X equals 15.44 ounces. So that's how much bleach we would need. Hopefully that was helpful, and I'll upload this video shortly.